A very good evening to one and all gathered here. Today we have joined for a special lecture on green logistics and its fundamentals in supply chain operations. First, let us have the basic objectives of green logistics. So, the green logistics concept aims to optimize the major environmental concern with respect to today's scenario, starting from sourcing to delivery of raw materials. So each and every segment, so we need to consider more effectively by optimizing the environmental pollution impact. So which in turn maintains the efficiency and cost effectiveness. Now let us see the overview of green logistics. So the term green logistics can be otherwise referred as sustainable logistics. It focused primarily on minimizing the environmental issues in supply chain operations. This includes optimizing the transportation routes, using eco-friendly packaging, and adapting more energy-efficient warehousing methods. In addition to that, it tries to reduce the carbon emission by safeguarding the pollution by maintaining the environment very neat and clean. Let us see further beyond innovation. In the recent scenario, tremendous uh, enough care has been taken for the environmental concern in today's society, and most of the industries are marching forward towards the environmental, the pollution impact, with the aim of achieving sustainable economic growth. And this concept particularly applies to the logistics sector with the development of green logistics. Implementing green logistics can be a positive thing for companies for various reasons. First one is reduced pollution. So that is the primary benefit of green logistics. So reducing the pollution generated by companies. The next one is reduced transportation cost. Green logistics helps to reduce the distance and also the number of goods transport operations. So especially those that use combustion vehicles, which normally emit greenhouse gases and that are more harmful to the environment. And last one is lowering the packaging cost. Green logistics involve using waste material or biodegradable. This can be recyclable for packaging purpose. Instead of buying a single-use material that could be a more expensive thing, so a company can save their business money in the long run by going for recycling the materials for packaging the final products. So this somehow tries to reduce the packaging cost. How green logistics can be implemented efficiently? So the green logistics involves optimizing the storage space of warehouse inside the premises. This allows the company to reduce the number of handling machine movements by avoiding unnecessary operations, which in turn reduces the pollution generated. Next, green logistics, how it can be implemented successfully outside the warehouse. So by according to the corporate social responsibility policy. So according to the guidelines of ISO 14000 Environmental Pollution Act, every company has to bind adhere to the guidelines of ISO 14000 by preventing the unnecessary pollutant things in the environment. What could be the future of green logistics? So it could be highly undeniable, but the future of green logistics mostly depends on the supply chain automation. All these automated solutions favor green logistics by limiting the use of polluting energies. So it is therefore likely that the green logistics already established in today, the same thing will continue to happen more in much better advancement in future with the development of logistics 4.0 and the current environmental situation will be considered the most important thing under logistics 4.0. With this few information, above all, I conclude that green logistics integrates both environmental concern as well as supply chain operations. So both are highly crucial for attaining the sustainable business practices. So it involves optimizing the transportation and also warehouse space utilization and overall logistics process to minimize the environmental impact, reducing the cost and enhance the brand reputation of the company. So these are some of the working papers of mine, and I have given the published link of my paper for your kind reference. So with this few basic information, I thank you all. We will meet again in some other special lecture series. So once again, I thank each and every one of you. Thank you all.